told to your mom, sabi na wag na kami mag-stay rito. Kasi meron dito kanina, may nataihang kalbo. Natamaan sa ulo. Tapos yung babae sa ulo ulit. So, your mom is so blessed. Nabigyan siya ng blessing. Dinakot ko. Wet wipe. Bird poop. Massive bird poop.
Wow, people, that was unexpected. But anyways, I'm still gonna try more rides because that's not enough too. It's not enough. Yeah, and yeah, I might get busy. Also, filming is not allowed, so GoPro is not allowed too. But anyways,
Ako lahat ang gumagawa ng dirty jobs. I do all the dirty jobs. Poop. Cleaning the bird poop.
ew, that was unexpected, guys.
Unexpected downfall in the jacket.
Yeah, that's crazy, guys. I told ya.
Let's go. Ayoko na rito. Ang daming ibon na tumatay.
It's cause there's a tree. That's why.